We lost the top of this huge tree. Oh gee.
Dang, it's a mess.
Yeah. Okay guys, now y'all can start to see the pass through. We have cleared the path, so I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to set you up in a different shaded spot. Here we go. Here's our opening. This is what we're working on, cutting these so we can get in here. I'm not sure if you can tell, but we are slowly making a dent in the brush, and we're just trying to chip our way back. This is going to take a long time. I'll show you how big the tree is. I'm at a loss for words. I'm exhausted, so we'll see how much longer we can go today. Monty was just asking where the fence is in this tangled mess, and it is here. It is collapsed on the ground. Hi guys, this is our second day, I guess, out here working to remove the tree.
Mainly so far this morning we've been rendering fat. It is steamy out here with no wind.
Yeah.
But I've already been out here, got it all cut off of the fence because we still had some pieces that were hanging over. They weren't on the fence, they were hanging over the fence, and the goats were running up the trunk of the tree and getting over where they could have hopped off on the other side of the fence. So that was my main goal today, just get that, but we're making some progress here. So this is a little bit of the pile of logs that we've cut already, and we're still not into the big part of the tree. So
This is just limbs, and there's two other smaller piles over here, but this is just the big tree chunks. And we haven't tackled the tree at all up there in the field that's across from the bees that I showed you. That one's not priority at the moment.
no.
So we just wanted to kind of update. Now it's starting to get easier to kind of see because the leaves are dying, so we can actually see the limbs and you know, where everything's attached. And so
Yeah, I mean, if you zoom in, you can see the mangled fence back there where the tree was laying. But that, I don't know if it's a elm or what. There was a crook in that elm, and that caught the tree and kept it from just totally trashing the fence.
oh wow. Yeah, because it's only, the fence was laying down in maybe a 10-foot area or something like that.
Between two T-posts.
Yeah, between two T-posts. So, and we've kind of walked some excess fence back along it. So it is keeping the animals in, except for when the goats walk along the tree. Okay, well, we're going to keep at it, and just wanted to kind of take a quick break and update.
And we'll go with the TYM Tractor with the Grappler. We'll take that for a win, and we'll also take the DEWALT electric chainsaw, take that for a win.
And not to mention the Flail Mower. When we had to get in here the first day, and y'all will see that too. I can't imagine how we would have even begun to tackle this with our old tractor and without these major implements like the Grappler and the Flail Mower, just to get back on the back side of the fence to see that part of the tree. And but
yeah, our old Ford, we'd have had the chains out trying to lift stuff with chains and stuff. It was.
We actually would have been borrowing my dad's Kubota and had them both working, but yeah, we don't. And our old tractor, even with the brush hog or whatever we would have for the back end, would not have been enough weight for these tree.
Well, the tractor
sections.
just wasn't powerful enough to pick anything real heavy up. So.
But that Flail Mower is quite heavy, so I think it's doing a pretty good job at balancing you out.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so.
I haven't had to fill the. I was intending to take it back to the dealer and have them fill the tires, but since I got the Flail Mower, it's keeping the back end kind of planted on the ground.
Yeah.
It gets a little sketchy every now and then, but
Yeah, you'll see.
what's life without a little adventure?
You'll see where he's kind of tipping it, and I kept saying, lower the Flail Mower, lower it. I had to walk away.
Yeah.
So.
She's not as adventurous as I am.
Nope. Our last big adventure was zip lining, and that was a one and done. So.
Okay, so just stick around. We're going to be moving all this wood and getting it set up, because we will cut all this wood up for firewood this coming winter. So
yeah, that's why we're kind of trying to limit out and section it off right now anyway, because it will be firewood season before we know it.
Yep.
So,
I always wind up 0 degrees out cutting firewood.
It always comes in on us so fast.
Okay.
Okay, guys, back to work. green tree that's right next to the tractor that I'm trying so hard to protect. That's my mulberry tree. And it has tiny mulberries on it. This might just swipe it a little bit. Oh. Yeah, but it's had worse. So, all's good. Okay, so this tree is basically dead for the most part, and it's real hard to see it, but they're gonna go ahead and push on it and cut it to take it down so it doesn't, if it falls, it will take out another large section of our fence. Okay, they got more fuel in the chainsaw. This is a little sketchy, guys. There's a little bit of weight at the top of the tree on this side, but it is being pulled by vines and stuff on the back side. Oh, there we go. we go. Woo! Oh boy. Oh my. Another win. Oh my goodness, talk about the sunshine coming in. Okay guys, I'm out here looking for a little chick that got out, and I'm over here at this dead tree that just got broke. Look at what I just saw. So I don't know if you can see all the spiders. All the spiders in the hole outside. Look at this. That is a jumbo beetle. That thing is probably at least 2 inches tall. Ugh. Oh my word. Oh, it's like a deep cavern in there. Sorry for the light. I'm trying to figure out how to hold it. Oh, that's horrible. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now I'm back to going looking for my little chick. So here we are, guys. Just gonna show you the after effects of everything. We finally got the tree all cleaned up. We still have work to do, but we got the biggest chunk of it down. You can see we have not taken that one down yet, but anyway, we're so happy with the job that our tractor did. Like we said before, don't know how we could have done it without having that tractor, that TYM tractor, the Grappler, the Flail Mower, and you know, I'm not sure, we didn't really explain that the whole DEWALT electric chainsaw. Lonnie got that this year, and it was mainly because he's been dealing with a lot of, I guess it's tendonitis in his elbow, and so the constant on and off and on and off of starting the chainsaw and running the chainsaw and then shutting it off, you know, to do whatever you need to do, was really inflaming his elbow. That's why we got that DEWALT electric chainsaw. His tendonitis is not flaring up, I guess is what you would call it. And so that just kind of explains, because we were kind of thinking, well, we might get comments on, why in the world are you using an electric chainsaw for such a huge job? And we didn't address that while we were working. It just you know, didn't come up. You know, there was towards the end when he was literally cutting the tree portions up, you guys could see how large, you know, I don't think it came through over the sound, but I took a close-up of one of the biggest sections when he was moving it, and I wanted to count the rings. I haven't done it yet, but, and you know, actually when you start looking at it, it's like, which ring do you count? So I need to look at that, but it's over there in a pile for our firewood. For now, we just wanted to kind of bring all of this to a close where the equipment worked amazing, and it was just what we needed. We didn't have to go borrow or hunting or rent equipment to get this taken care of quickly. We hit it hard, and it took us several days, and so that's why you've seen different clips of it just took several long hot days to get this cleaned up. So we appreciate you guys hanging out with us, and we hope you will come back. We would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, share, it helps us out so much. So anyway, until the next time, you guys have a blessed day, and we will see you on the next one. I'll show you how big the tree is.